Hey Stellar Bros, this is Steve-O. I hope you guys are doing alright. I wanted to make a video talking about what we're going to be doing with my garage here. We're going to be doing a brand new thing called Stellar Thrift. Once this garage is cleaned out, I'm going to make it to where I could sell in here a couple times a week, make some money to go toward Stellar Bros and toward my company HayVoe Pickers. My wife and I go out and throughout the year and we pick yard sales, thrift stores, estate sales, stuff like that. And we're going to be using that part of that revenue for Stellar Bros to be able to go out and get socks, food, water for people that are homeless. Also to try to start doing concerts in the near future. I'm doing some faith-based music going on out in the parks, or even doing some concerts with some of your favorite Christian music down the road. That's just some of the ideas that we've got going on here at Stellar Bros. I hope you guys enjoy going through stuff, because we like going through stuff. Right now, can't really show you much, but I'll show you what we do have. So, garage right now. This is phase one. So it's kind of here. A lot of clutter. It is a garage. I got to do some cleaning because like there's the cobwebs up there. I got to go around. And yeah, see, like I say, just plenty of opportunity here. Got the flyers up for my boy Brian Belansky. The times I worked with him, he's coming through here next month. It's going to be awesome. Some of the inventory that's posted on HayVoe Pickers eBay right now. Some VHS and some media there. Going to transform this whole room. Dog. Transform this whole little room into a selling front. Have some dividers that are right here, got from the bins. Gonna put them up where the washer and dryer are. Have it across where it's gonna be harder to see. You can't really see much. You can see the wood panel, but there is a jewelry case in here. That'll be moved probably over right in front of the washer and dryer there. Then I'll have the shelves here. Got another shelf to utilize somehow down the road. Have a bunch of open space here. I'm going to have up there as well and try to figure out some storage usage for in here. Just make it feasible. Also, have a bunch of real estate out here. It'll be during the yard sale season. It'll come out here into the carport. Pardon the mess. I'm doing a trash haul. So the van's kind of getting full with trash. But see, it's got this open real estate here. What we'll be doing. So it'll be pretty cool. Have stuff set out. Have like bins set down and have some event tables set up and just utilize this whole space here, So I'm just looking forward to being able to open up this shop once it's all done. And I don't know, I just love decorating, having the storefront the way I want it to be. So, instead of it being just a garage or a man cave, it's going to be something more than that. It's going to be awesome. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to getting Stellar Thrift open here in Medford, Oregon, to help people that are in need. Part of the money from what I make is also going to go to Micah out in California for Stellar Bros out there. Man, it's just awesome. Looking forward to being able to make this into a reality, to be able to sell awesome like pop culture stuff. Might have a little bit of random things that aren't pop culture related, if I could talk. But, it is what it is. Trying to get the funds going. I gotta get a drink, and you know what kind of drink I'm gonna get if you guys have been watching Stellar Bros or I Love Those Figures. That's right. Gotta get that Dutch Bros on. Yeah. So, yeah, here you go. There you have it. I was gonna try to do some rearranging today. If I do, it'll be a little later. As you saw the van, I gotta do a dump run. So appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe, make the world go round. Peace.